going to do to everyone. There were dire predictions of elimination of entire segments of in the capitalist economy. And in the end, there were some epic failures. There were some epic new gigantic successes, and the vast majority of everybody else adapted and adopted and learned to use the internet to produce better customer service, pretty much no matter what sector you were in. What's going on in the fintech revolution is going to be somewhat similar to that. There will be some big losers who fall asleep at the switch, who are incumbents today, who try to resist, who will have their core profit engines undermined. There are going to be some new fintechs that arrive and displace some of them, and a lot of the incumbents are going to do what they have already started to do, just partner up, be scared as hell, start running fast. And let's not forget, the thing about being an incumbent is you have revenue today, you have customers today, you have a trust model today, you're regulated, and that brings an aura, actually a positive aura. It's not always fun, but it can be helpful. And those are huge advantages. So when you see the big incumbents partnering up with the smaller fintechs, it's because they realize that there's genuine value being created there. The other point is that a lot of the activities that are threatened here are not fundamentally that profitable the way they are done today. So with respect to distributed ledger technology, we're talking about areas of disruption where the disruption is really, it's not so much eliminating a revenue opportunity as slashing cost, slashing risk, slashing capital requirements, reducing operational errors, and actually making it more profitable for the incumbent providers to provide a better service. So it's not all bad news for incumbents, it's not all great news for fintechs, and the question of getting the regulation right along the way is very important in order to have, again, the right desirable outcomes on average. Very last comment is this is happening. You will see distributed ledger technology deployed in earnest, in the real world, in large, consequential, systemic market infrastructures, sometime during the course of next year, or I would be very surprised. So I would continue to watch this space, and I think once you see that happening once or twice, you'll see it happening again and again. It will become mainstream within 5 to 10 years.
Terrific. Ravi, you have the last segment.